venison casserole, here we go. In with some really good quality smoked pancetta. This is from the butchers. I'm just going to cook that off in some rapeseed oil for maybe about 10 minutes. You're wanting to render all that fat out, give you lots of flavour to cook the venison in. Venison's super lean, it's some Highland game venison, so that extra flavour from the pancetta is going to go a long way. In we go with the venison now. A wee bit of salt goes in there as well, and then just stir that around, and you're going to cook it for maybe another sort of 5 minutes or so. Try and get a good bit of colour on it. It'll release some of the water within the meat as well. But then you just take all of that out into a bowl, and then clean the pan a little bit, some butter, some garlic, and then your sofrito base. Just put some bay leaf and rosemary in there for extra flavour as well. That's carrots, celery and onions. In with a double concentrate tomato puree. Cook that for a few minutes. Get the colour nice and rich and red. Red wine, big Australian red wine, lots of flavour. Good quality tinned tomatoes. Returning all the venison and the pancetta into the pan. And you're going to cook that out for a good couple of hours. I've just added some beef stock here to make it a wee bit more rich. Sort of thickens the sauce as well as it cooks down. And just at the end I'm adding some onions and some mushrooms here. A little bit more pancetta, just kind of fills it out a little bit, gives you some more veggies. Just toss them through, stir them into the casserole. And then I like to finish it with lots of fresh herbs. This is a curly parsley. I think it's really lovely flavour wise and texture. Looks great, tastes great. There you go, that is your venison casserole.